Arizona desert. Look at all the solar panels. In Arizona. I guess at least they're putting the use to the desert. Got them big old mountains. There ain't nothing growing on them except black rock. Rugged, rugged, rugged. Alright, me and Gary's fixing to go in Buc-ee's in Arizona. Check it out, see if they got anything in there we want to eat. I bet they do. Get us a Buc-ee brisket and maybe some Buc-ee nuggets. And that's very hot. We looked at the weather report deal on the phone. It's supposed to get up to 115, so it feels like it right now.
Right outside of Phoenix.
Yeah, right before we get into Phoenix is where this Buc-ee's is at on Interstate 10. We're still in Arizona, but check out these big giant rocks on the side of the road. Alright, and that mountain right there. That's unreal. I mean, big rock. On top of each other. That's what's crazy. Like they were stacked there. That's unreal.
I can get some more pictures of rocks.
That is unreal. I mean, it's really like they were stacked there on purpose. Wow.
Should be able to get some more video from this rest area over here.
Oh yeah, we're fixing to pull in the rest area. We'll be able to maybe get some better looking videos. Alright, we're at the rest area. Here's some of the big rocks around here. That's a monster right there. That is wow. That's pretty cool right over there. Kind of neat. You won't see this in Arkansas. Alright, we're fixing to get back on the road. We're up here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. I think that's how you say it. They have a sign back there saying watch out for rattlesnakes. We'll see if we can see one. There's some jagged mountains right there. Some kind of dove or something down there in the some rugged country right here. Big statue of a roadrunner in Las Cruces, New Mexico. That's pretty wild. I guess it's made out of metal, I don't know. Rugged country. What is it?
Critter, I can't tell what it is. Oh, it's a rabbit.
Oh, it sure is. There went a rabbit.
Probably a jackrabbit.
Yeah. It'd probably be rattlesnake breakfast. All right, we're gonna get back on the road. All right, we just got out of New Mexico. We're in Texas now. There's the border over there with the wall. Been a lot of construction going on. This is all new we're driving on, but we just got out of some that were just there was a wreck, all kinds of stuff, and it created, didn't move very far for about 2 hours. But we're on the road now. Alright, there's Mexico. We're right on the border going into El Paso. It's kind of wild how the difference in being over here and over there as far as the housing and stuff. We'll get up here and you can see a little better under the bridge. That is wild. They're stacking them up in Texas, big long train of double stacked containers. We done passed probably a mile or so over. There's the end of it right there. A lot of stuff. There's Lake Ray Hubbard. We're on I-30 headed to Arkansas. We made it kind of around Dallas. A lot of traffic, but we got through there. Looking good. We got a straight shot now. Alright, y'all. We made it back to Arkansas, which we've been here a couple of days. We got the van unloaded. That's what this video is going to be about, our little trip we took from, well, no, it wasn't little. Our trip we took from California back to Arkansas. Took us 3 whole days. We had a little setback that on Interstate 10 there was a lot of road construction, and of course there was an accident, and we were sitting on the interstate for about 3 hours. We'd move a little bit and then stop, move a little bit and then stop. But once we got through with that, on into Arizona and New Mexico and all that, I mean, it wasn't real bad. We got in a couple of rain showers, which didn't last too long. We got in a dust storm. It didn't last too long, but there was not a whole lot of traffic. I mean, when we'd come to a city or something, we'd get in some traffic, but like in Phoenix and Tucson and all that. But we made it. That's the biggest thing. We had to go through Border Patrol, and we made it through that all right. So that was good. But I just thought I'd jump in here and kind of give you an update on where we've been, what's been going on, and that's what this video is. Mostly just our trip from California to Arkansas. It's got some videos in there, nothing special, but just some of the stuff we've seen and all that. But I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and share our channel. And you know, I'll try to make some more videos here pretty quick. But y'all stay rough around the edges. God bless.